Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Viblite travel toothbrush. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so getting this out of the box. Really nice looking product presentation here. Nice simple usage instructions are going to be in here. As you can see, comes with USB-C charging cable, two different brush heads as options. And I don't know if you can see that or not. And then, of course, the device itself. So on the bottom here, see your USB-C charger capability. And then we'll have a couple buttons, and we're going to have like a sterilization mode, which is going to, well, we're going to need to get this powered up and go through all that stuff. But we're going to have a your simple power, and I don't know if you can see the lights going on or not. So we'll show you this in water and in demo better, but just a simple layout here. All right, so just filming the charging process real quick. It will just continue to do this until it is full, at which point it will have a 3 light stay on at once. And I'm just going to pull this off just because I want to show you. It will vibrate a little bit when you first do that and when you plug it in and unplug it. And I just want to go over the modes. I'll do this again, but just want to clarify. To extend this, there are 3 heads. So the first one, just double click it and you'll see the initial head that comes. There's the 2 replacement heads that I already showed, and you can literally just pull this off if you want to replace the heads. From there, there are going to be 3 different modes, and so like I don't know what the differences are, but like I think the first one's kind of like a higher level, the second one's kind of a lower level, and this is kind of like an alternating like mode. So I'm going to test that out when I brush, but just want to cover those 3. And then again, just double click to have it go away. And again, the charging's down there. It does automatically go into a UV mode for cleaning for the next like 30 to 60 seconds or something like that. When you do turn this on, so this will, if you just run it at 30 seconds, it should notify you and just kind of like stop going. And then at 2 minutes, it should auto stop, just as an FYI. So we'll go ahead and test that stuff out. All right, so first I want to show you a comparative size. I've got some toothpaste on this just to show you. I'm gonna be, this is a, what is it? Braun Oral-B Vitality brush. Basically the same length, a little bit shorter is this, but when I close it up, this will actually be the shorter device, so really nice. I'm going to just show you the modes real quick. They do recommend you wet it after putting some toothpaste on. So it's a real nice feel on the teeth. And the 3 different options will have to, you'll have to figure out what's best. One of the things that I'm finding is a little bit annoying is this keeps, it's hard to kind of get this right back in. It keeps popping out every time I touch it. So it's back in, but like every time I touch it, it kind of flaps. And so if you are going to submerge this in water or anything crazy, just be aware of that. As far as the cleaning, let me show you. So just standard stuff. You can literally just rinse it off. Now they recommend that you pad dry this before you put it away. I don't think that's necessary. I mean, that's the whole point, right? It's a travel toothbrush. So just get it kind of dry like that. And again, once you do that, put it in there. The process is done. So as mentioned, easy to kind of compare the sizes. It's really nice travel size. Easily fits into a bag. While this is blinking, it's going to just show you that it's in the cleaning process. As mentioned, it's got a 2-minute auto shut off, and it does pause at 30 seconds for like a fraction, just to let you know if you need to change, from upper left to upper right, or whatever. So really nice, and again, 3 different heads to work with. So this thing is totally worth buying, in my opinion. Great travel brush, and totally looking forward to replacing the current situation that I have. So hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.